मातशें बेगीन मुखार वचपाक पयलीं वचचें पडटा.
पयलो जा कांयच्या कांय जाणा का जाय ते
आता आणि काय काय म्हणणार ना सरपंच माझा
आय विल बी ले मॅन ऑलवेज लाईक दिस
हॅलो आता हास मरे
Abush Mansarat and my supporters and as well Congress party.
तिथलेलं की सडनली इतले दाखवलं बघण्यात
So I expected about 6,500 votes, wherein about 300 it was low.
खंय खंय कमी पडलं दिसतं तुमकां तुमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन
कमी म्हणजे अशें ना कित्याक लागून 4 strong candidates was there. So bifurcating everything, I have decided that I thought as per my study and my friends, Agnel, what he has done and all other friends from Mercies and all 5 members, they have thoroughly removed. They will get about 2,000 in Mercies, about approximately 2,000 in Singal and about 3,000 in 2,500 to 3,000 in Santa Cruz. That's what we got.
आबूश बीन उना पडजेच्या.
No, I am really, he is my boss, I can say. What I have won today because of his efforts. But it is depends on the voter, how they have voted. And I was told by all, he lost. I'm really depressed because of it.
दिस इज द न्यू एक्सपिरियन्स फॉर यू दिस इज द न्यू प्लेस पंचायतीन तुमचे पॉलिटिकल एक्सपिरियन्स आसा सो हिंगा फुडें तुमी कशें आसतले कशें एक्सपिरियन्स पळयतले आमदार म्हणून
See, what I am today, I have seen everything in politics. In 2002, I was a MLA, sorry, as a punch member, and I was a opposition leader, then I was deputy sarpanch and sarpanch also. And today, my supporters has elected me as a MLA. I will be as what I was and will be the same as a layman and work for the